Imagine a software so revolutionary that it redefines the way we work with film. Created by Eastman and informed by your needs, it performs at the very center of everything you do. This is Core, Eastman's new innovative film installation software. Core takes shape as a beautiful, intuitive experience that offers a verified pattern process to deliver more accuracy and efficiency than ever before. We are excited to bring you film software with this level of accuracy, robust functionality, beautiful design, rich user experience, and freedom. This is just the beginning. This is Core, software that performs around you.